Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of BodyFast app. You will go to settings as you see and you will enter. Here in this page, you will go to the window of apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you can search about BodyFast and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store and you can search about BodyFast to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.